Stop. Today, I'm going to show you how to sub on Glitter HTV so your t-shirts can look like this.
Kids who the hell cares? One less hungry mouth on the welfare. First ship them dope and let them deal with brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead.
We're going to jump right into the Cricut design space. I uploaded my image of Tupac, which is not for sale because I don't own the rights to the image or Tupac's likeness. I selected complex image type. Then I selected my magic wand tool to remove the white out of the image. So for this particular image, I'm going for that rough look to capture that graffiti look around Tupac's face. Then I selected save image as a print and cut. And then I opened the image in the canvas. Then I selected my t-shirt in the background so I could visibly see how big the image was going to be on the t-shirt. This was going to be on a woman's medium shirt. So once I found a suitable size that me, the Cricut, and the Sawgrass could agree on, I then selected the image, right-clicked on my mouse, and then copied the image. With my second image selected, in the top left-hand corner, I changed the type image from print to no fill, making it register as a pattern. I'm now ready to print and cut. Because this image will be subbed, it needs to be mirrored. Loaded the printer. Paper sub. So because I'm printing from my Cricut with my Sawgrass, I'm not using the print manager like I'm supposed to be, or is suggested. So I turned the bleed off for the sub, and I'm using my system dialog. Print. Then I select setup. I usually pick inkjet or plain paper. Both turn out the same to me. Just make sure you select high quality. Cut after print. So for my Glitter HTV, I'm selecting medium cardstock settings with less pressure. Again, this is for the Cricut Maker. The Cricut Air instructions may be different. At this point, I was ready to cut my Glitter HTV with my mirrored image. Don't forget to mirror the image. Once my Tupac image was done printing off my sublimation paper, I simply took some scissors and went around that and just freehand cut the image out. And I was ready to fire up the heat press. I set my heat press to 315 degrees. Of course, I gave my shirt a pre-press, got all the wrinkles out of it. Because I like to take my time with pressing the image on to the shirt, I actually took the shirt off of the heat press and set it down just so I could make sure that I measured where I was going to actually place the image in the correct spot. Once my image was laid, I went ahead and put it back on the heat press, and I pressed that for 15 seconds. Then I set my heat press to 400 degrees. Now I was ready to lay my mirrored Tupac image with my sublimation paper on top of my glitter vinyl. Once that was lined up as best as it could be, I then taped down my Tupac image so it didn't move. Place the shirt back under the heat press at 400 degrees for 1 minute, 60 seconds. Voila, complete. If you guys have any better tips and tricks for sublimating on Glitter HTV, please leave that in the comments below. Greatly appreciate it. Again, thanks for all the support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Peace.